Well, good morning. We're going to do some tear out. We got some asphalt and concrete removal, which is fine because the dump we're taking it to today allows for mixed loads. So stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's tear some stuff up. This is it, huh? Eric, how you doing? Good. Okay. Then pavers coming out too?
No.
Okay, so we're just going back to the back and that's it, huh?
Yep.
All right. Luckily, Chilson Road allows for mixed loads.
Yeah.
So, don't have to worry about that too much. I don't think they want any wood there. I'll just slide that back. Cool. Pretty straightforward. So we already kind of showed you what the pad looks like, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. We got some kind of wooden step thing for the trailer that was here. We're just going to slide that on back to the patio, and we're going to rip and tear. Well, we got the first load on. Dave's on his way to the crusher. We're about halfway done already. So Eric said he's got another one for us. You gotta wait for final approval, or?
No, I'll see what the park says.
Okay. Because I do have a minimum, a daily minimum, and I don't think this cuts it, right? What is it, 600 square foot?
No, I think this is... I have it written down. We can remeasure.
What are they normally? Just for the...
like 1,500.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that'll hit our minimum for sure. Okay, so we're not gonna waste too much of his money, so that's the goal. But yeah, either way, luckily the crusher's like 10-15 minutes down the road, so this will be a short video, which is good because there's like an hour worth of video on this memory card. So we'll we'll let you guys know when we get a little bit further down the line. Well, we got her done. We were able to keep the edge clean. I pulled that away from the asphalt because this is old asphalt and I didn't want Dave to have to monkey with that. I just got a little more experience doing that. We're clean. Eric's happy?
Oh yeah.
Eric's happy, I'm happy.
Yeah.
So he'll make sure to call us when he's got the next one. And yeah, I'm gonna go home and throw this video together now. I haven't been posting my videos in the order they were recorded. For example, the Backyard Revival, episode 4 was actually episode 5, or vice versa. Yeah, 5 was 4, I'm a mess. But anyway, now that I'm doing my own editing, things will come out more, what's the word, in the continuity? I don't know what's the word for it. So either way, I'm out of here. I got to do my second least favorite thing to do, which is chase money and make some phone calls, and yeah, so we'll see you later.